Welcome back to the Weather Center. Here on the latest satellite picture, we are looking at this band of cloud that gave us passing showers for the first half of Saturday over the eastern areas of the Free State and the southeastern sections. In the afternoon, we had quite a bit of cloud popping up across the eastern areas of the northwest. Otherwise, we had mostly clear skies for the bulk of South Africa, except for much of the Western Cape, where we had a thick layer of high-level cloud blanketing these parts of South Africa. And that is ahead of this cold front, which is still out in the Atlantic Ocean, but having its eyes set for the western parts of the country. Now on Sunday, it's going to be partly cloudy for parts of eastern South Africa, as well as over the central and southeastern areas, where we are going to stay with a chance of isolated thundershowers for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and the southern parts of the Free State. And the cold front here is going to introduce quite a lot of cloud into the west coast and the southwestern areas, where we are going to see isolated rain showers in the afternoon and towards the evening hours. It's going to be mostly sunny for the bulk of the Northern Cape and the northwest, as well as the KwaZulu-Natal province. We are expecting light to moderate northwesterlies for your Sunday across much of the interior and around the Cape Peninsula. Northeasterlies for the KZN coastal areas, and fresh to strong southwesterlies are forecast between Port Elizabeth and East London. It's going to be sunny and warm for KwaZulu-Natal on Sunday, with Durban, Port Shepstone and Kokstad warming to around 25 degrees, a bit hotter as we go towards Ulundi. Partly cloudy skies are forecast for much of the Eastern Cape, with thundershowers expected over the eastern areas. East London should peak at around 23 degrees. The same for Bishop and Port Alfred. A high of around 20 degrees is forecast for Port Elizabeth. It gets cooler as we go towards the south coast of the Western Cape, where highs in the upper teens are expected. Light rain is forecast in the afternoon along the west coast of the Western Cape, where Cape Town and Langaban should peak at around 17 degrees. We are expecting partly cloudy and cool to cold weather over the western areas of the Northern Cape. It's going to be mostly sunny and mild to warm for the eastern half of the province. Partly cloudy skies are also forecast across much of the Free State, with a chance of thundershowers for the southern areas. It's going to stay mostly sunny across much of the northwest, with temperatures on the warm side in most areas. A high of 24 is forecast for Mahikeng and Seerest. Just a bit of cloud in places for the Limpopo province, including around Polokwane, where a high of 22 is expected. We could also see a bit of cloud for the easternmost parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be mostly sunny and mild for the Mpumalanga Highveld areas. Gauteng could see a few patches of cloud overhead, with a high of 24 expected for Pretoria. On Monday, we are going to see a bit of drizzle around Port Elizabeth and East London. Rain showers are forecast over eastern South Africa. Light rain and drizzle is expected on Tuesday for the eastern provinces. It's going to be mostly sunny for the southwestern sections.